An ACT judge has found the New South Wales government was negligent in the lead up to the 2003 Canberra bushfires, but the state won't have to pay compensation. The litigants were farmer Wayne West and insurance giant QBE, and they haven't given up yet. But to be awarded compensation, they'll have to prove that state firefighters failed to act in good faith.
A decade ago, on a terrible Saturday in January, a firestorm burst out of the Brindabella Mountains and engulfed the westernmost suburbs of Canberra. Almost 500 homes were destroyed and 4 people killed. Others suffered horrific burns. The fire started in the mountains 10 days earlier and were allowed to burn. Today, the Supreme Court found New South Wales firefighters were negligent for not quickly containing the fires.
The decision today was a vindication of what we said all the time, that the fires could have been put out.
The flames were only 1 metre high and they had 2 days in order to fight that fire, and that was ultimately the fire that came into Canberra and destroyed my home.
But despite the finding of negligence, for the plaintiffs it was a Pyrrhic victory. Chief Justice Terence Higgins found in favour of the New South Wales government because a state law exempts the government of liability if its actions or those of its firefighters are done in good faith. It means New South Wales rural firefighters can continue to fight bushfires without worrying about the threat of litigation. After the ruling, Commissioner Shane Fitzsimmons said, "I'm pleased that the judgment today reflects the fact that firefighters acting in good faith are protected by the law."
The defendants had to prove good faith. We believe they didn't prove good faith in the courtroom. They produced no evidence saying they acted in good faith.
QBE's lawyers say they must examine the reasons for the decision before advising their client whether to appeal. Wayne West has already made that decision. He'll be appealing the judgment, even though he says a further loss may cost him his home. Gordon Taylor, ABC News, Canberra.